Hey. But my husband is coming back to fix it. Hey guys, what's up y'all? Good afternoon guys. This is Mama B Square, the beautiful Mama B and B. Okay guys, so my name is Edith. Welcome back to our family channel. Yeah, so today I am actually cooking with my beautiful, adorable baby Bernice. She's loving the camera, like you guys could already tell. Like, see her start refresh. Show them your face, baby. Show them your face. Self refresh. 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 She's fresher than me. Alright guys, so I just want to do my teeth. I smashed sand when I was eating that shoe. I want to do small soup, very small soup, like small ogbono soup. Yeah, and I have my small meat, my small bitter leaf, and then where's the bonus? So I got my small pepper. And then this is the ogbono. Yeah, so what I'm going to do first is let me grab a pot. Okay, so it's actually not every time I cook, you know, plenty meal, just plenty soup, just like you see me do. But of course, I'm gonna be making plenty soup before traveling for my sister's traditional marriage. I'm definitely gonna be cooking soup. Because it's not all of us that is going, but definitely me, I'm a beautiful baby girl. I'm going. I'm just washing the meat. I'm using goat meat. Sorry, cow meat. I rarely use cow meat to cook, except I'm cooking small something. Because the thing is that when I go to market to buy small goat meat, it will be extremely small. Like they will only cut only the bone part and use it. So that's why I prefer to buy cow meat whenever I'm actually making a very small soup, so that at least I will see small flesh to use. Wow, I think what we need in this house now is Maggi. I have to go and buy Maggi. There's no Maggi. We need to go for shopping. We need to go for some kitchen shopping things, you know. talking to them? You're answering. She said yes. Yeah, of course. So I don't have to wash the bitter leaf and cut it. It's just small, really. If things are actually finished in the house till the point of salt finishing, that means everywhere is red. Salt does not actually finish like that, but every other thing or any other thing can actually finish before the month end, you know. Give me one Maggi there, please. One. Sorry, did I say Maggi? What is wrong with my brain? Onion. I'm putting so I need to cut in some onion. Onion juice go into my eyes, so pepperish. Well, I'm still cutting the onion. I've actually been in a situation whereby you're cooking and then pepper get into your eyes. Like you've actually lived with your grandma before. For me, I actually live with my grandma, so I know how it feels. I feel like, especially as a child, you know, pounding pepper for your parents to use at home. I know how it feels like that is what is happening to me right now. My eyes is so watery. The onion just got into my eyes. But that will not stop me from continuing my cooking. Then yeah, when we were small, you know, our duty then used to be, our duty in the kitchen used to be pounding pepper, like pounding anything poundable, washing plates and all of that, you know, and then standing attention to look at, you know, grandma as she's cooking. So you're pounding pepper and the pepper gets into your eyes, you'll be tagged as they'll say maybe you're not concentrating. That is when the pepper gets into your eyes. That's why the pepper got into your eyes. You're not concentrating. Probably you're not doing it well. You're not doing it as it should be done. You're not pounding it as it should be pounded, you know. So sometimes when we're pounding pepper like that and then the pepper gets into my eyes, I'll just pretend as if nothing happened, so that I'll not be tagged as not being serious or not concentrating and all of that stuff, you know. Is she sleeping? Huh? Go and give her to Ihechi. This pepper, I don't want pepper to get into her eyes. cup of ogbono before used to be 400 naira. Now 1 cup is 800 naira. So everything, and then everything now is just basically times 2. For me, just melt, press it, keep it on the floor and press it so that it will melt, it will spread. Okay guys, so I actually pause and so I can wash all of this. In here I have my periwinkle, I have crayfish, I have some shrimps and some broken down part of my fish. Okay, that's actually what I'm going to be using to cook my ogbono soup plus the meat. Yeah, so I actually didn't want the meat to like overdone. Okay, I'm here, so I have to chip it. So I'm gonna put in some leftover dried fish. We call this big crayfish, but you call it shrimps. And then periwinkle. And of course my crayfish. So I'm gonna be closing that pot, like putting a little water. And then boiling it once more, and then I will be back to to cook my soup. Yeah. Camera woman, your video ground. Okay guys, so the thing is that anywhere I go you take the camera and follow me. Do you understand? That's how they do vlog. So yeah, my soup is almost set. Like when it's finished, when it boils, I think I should add a little more water, since after all I'm gonna be adding more water to it. Let me just add small water. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna be putting just water. There'll be enough for my little pot of soup. Beverly is back, and you know when Beverly is back, you know what used to happen. Carry me. Come on, carry me. Carry me. Carry me, baby. Wait, make I cook my soup, Joe. Hey, honey, baby. Carry you. I started this video with Venice. Now Beverly is here to take over this video. As boiled, and now I want to put in the ogbono. I just want to rinse everything and put inside. Nothing should waste. Nothing. As we are selling it 800, let's not waste anything. You know what I mean? Guys, this country, we will survive anywhere. So come closer and see my pot. So I'm gonna allow it boil, and so that it can draw, it can. Okay guys, so my soup is ready, and I'm gonna put in my bitter leaf. This is obviously the last thing I put my bitter leaf soup. I'm sure that's actually the last thing most people put too, you know, because it's vegetable and I don't want to like overcook it. After all, the vegetables, they've actually washed the life out of it, so you can even eat it like that. But just to give the soup, just to give my soup that, you know, flavor. This pot of soup that you're seeing like this. Okay. This pot of soup. Oh, but what? Look at that girl. Your what? Okay. I've heard you. I'm coming, okay? Good girl. This pot of soup that you're seeing like this costs 7,000 naira. 7,000. Something that before you just use 2.5 and cook this pot of soup like this. But now before you buy meat itself is so annoyingly expensive. As if say the dollar follow affects the meat. But maybe it affects transportation to bring the cow from wherever. For them too, they won't make money, so that when you buy other things expensive. Can you imagine? Here I am. How do you do? How do you do? My hand is dirty. I want to wash my hand. No, your hand is not dirty. You don't need to wash your hand. My own hand is... Oh yes, darling. My hand is dirty. Okay guys, so I'm done cooking and portioning them. So now I want to... Don't speak pidgin for her. So I want to bend inside the... Inside the freezer. Where's the color? I think prepared. People should arrange your soup, cover it, and take it inside the freezer. Thank you for watching, and bye.